So we're heading to FIL-OZ restaurant now. You've missed the tragedy. I just dropped a prawn head on my dress.
I'd rather be fashionista than you have.
Mamutag, mga best magabay.
Actually, it's gabi.
Gabi na karon. O kauban na mo si saan man ni?
There we go.
Ayo. Mama ni Zowie og si Effie, ang
Ate Ify.
best
and my
friend.
mom. Cousin.
Sige, so karon nami diri sa usa ka Filipino na kainan. Unsay kainan sa Bisaya? Kananan di ay.
Wait. In Australia.
Ay,
That's
diri sa Australia di ay.
that's the cool part.
Yes. We are here in Australia with Zoe's family. We've been here for about 1 month.
Yeah, a month. We actually leave really soon, but we've just been spending quality time with my fam bam.
Yes. So we thought we'd send it off with a nice Filipino restaurant. Test it out, see if it compares to any of the food in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Zoe's been here.
Yeah, we've all been here
I
except
have
for
not been
Carson. But I like it, so hopefully he likes it as well. But my mum's is still the best.
Sige, so let's go test it out.
So we're heading to FIL-OZ restaurant now. That's the name of it. FIL-OZ, very clever. Filipino, Oz like me, and this is it.
Sige, so nakapon na kami diri sa FIL-OZ. Alas sa oras 6:53 among appointment, saan itawag? Among booking.
Reservation.
Alas 6:30, 6:30. So, sakto gyud kay Filipino time. So amo tanawon ang menu kung unsay available. May leche flan, halo-halo, crispy chicken wings. Pero pili na ako na gusto nako ang sinigang, fish sinigang, bangos, kunaa. Pwede po pork. Ikaw, unsay mo?
Di ko sure yet.
Dili pa siya sure. Pag sure diha.
I don't know if this is on me. Usually I get curry, but my mum actually cooked it for us the other night, and hers is always the best. Pinaka the best. So I don't really want it again. Plus, I don't like when they cook it with tripe. It's weird. So yeah, I'm gonna order something else. So we have, that's classic pricing. We've got barbecue. For one, it's only available on Fridays. Nah, it's only available on Saturdays and Sundays, which is sad. I would have gotten that. But a chicken inasal, which is my go-to in the Philippines, here is $14.90. So one chicken inasal, just the one, is 575 pesos. Woo!
One piece of chicken.
Just one piece of chicken, 575 pesos. Okay, with the rice. So that's like, I mean, that's bad, but it's not too bad. Dinuguan is 887 pesos. Woo!
Sa karinderya, pila man? 30 pesos.
Yeah, 50.
Sige, so bakakon si Zoe kay nag-order siya. Sa di ay kari-kari.
Look, I know.
Adik.
I said I wasn't gonna order it, but I panicked. I didn't know what else to order, and I just went to a favorite. So yeah, let's have curry the second time this week. Okay, so aside from my curry, Carson got pork sinigang. My mom and Ate Ify got crispy pata, hinataang hipon.
Oh, ito na siya buko pandan.
Yeah. Buko pandan.
I just show you. Leche flan.
Nay, tanawa dire. Grabe ilang naong, no? Pares sila ni Zoe, murag kambal. Di mailhan na kon? Na inahan kay bata pa kayo.
You've missed the tragedy. I just dropped a prawn head on my dress. It's chaos here. But the food is very good. My mum's curry is still my favorite, but this is a close alternative. How was yours? And now I am onto my second serving, and I'm trying the second course. That's the word I was looking for. I'm trying the thank you for the napkin. Hinataang hipon. It's a big hipon, not like in the Philippines. I'm really trying. Done it.
Imo lami.
Kurot na, lami.
Kurot. Grabe imo ah.
Lami. Kurot na, oh. Bukog na bilin.
Bukog na bilin.
Favorite to dessert, leche flan. My family knows how much I love this. Shout out Zowie Lynn.
Itlog og asukal. That's all it is.
Oh no,
Eggs
it's
and sugar.
fantastic. If we ever eat halo together from Manginasal, I always get mad at him for taking the leche flan part.
It's true. Our first argument was over leche flan.
Yeah, because he squished it, and then when you squish it, you can't even taste it. You have to be able to eat it whole.
Oh.
Ang amo. Lamian nga buko pandan.
Kasi mahimo
Kani.
channel, YouTube channel,
Ay,
subscribe sila.
Kani siya, Rainbow Channel. Oh, Rainbow Channel.
Ano sa
Rainbow Rice. Bisayang Hilaw, Rainbow Rice.
Unsay flavor ana?
Ube, and then, unsa kaya ni siya? Kanang kaning green? Unsa nga?
Buko pandan siguro.
Oh, buko pandan, and then the
Yellow.
yellow is
Itlog.
yellow flavor eh.
Yellow. Millennials.
Charm.
Sige cellphone.
Work things, hustle culture.
Si Nanay Lynn, addict siya sa ginamos. So iya dalon sa iyang purse, dala sa balay.
Adik.
Kay matag gabi nakaon siya ginamos, di ba?
Sa Pilipinas, violet ang color.
Di ba ginamos shrimp paste pod?
Oo. Sa Pilipinas.
Magyapon.
So, kada gabi mo kaw ginamo si Nanay Lynn.
Dili ko ana. Si Nanay Lynn, Shara. May sili pa.
May sili.
Di siya ganan spicy, so di siya ana. Og unya, nami dessert na sabaw.
Sabaw, wash hands.
Ingon ni nanay, nandako kog ulo. Gamay kog lawas.
Murag ulog munggos.
Di bagay. Pero promise, yung camera lang yun.
But you got a new shirt, looks nice.
First shirt that I bought in like 1 year, 2 years.
Only after you bought 2 shirts last week.
3 shirts in 3 years.
3 shirts in 3 days.
Para tipid. Para maka-travel. Pwede ka magpalit o usa ka sinina, or pwede ka magpalit o usa ka simana sa travel. Asan nindot? 1 week travel or 1 shirt?
1 week travel. 1 shirt.
We know my mum's priorities.
Okay, 1 month travel or 1 shirt.
Ikaw kay isa ka buwan, pila imong sanina paliton, it takes 10. Ang iyang 10, kanang 10 nga sanina, mag-travel na niya 1 week. Yeah, I know, but
expenses?
I'd rather be
Fashionista.
Fashionista? You have too much wardrobe.
Yeah, dili ka mo solo ba na kay work clothes lang. Pagtulog makasulog kag
Dili.
nice.
Isulo mo na nimo magtrabaho.
Paglimpyo sa balay.
O gani, ipanggawas na ni iyang mga sininaktanan. Inig winter. Di gina niya mahurot og suot sa isa ka winteran. Balik na po.
Oh, shots fired from your feet.
Oh, tayo. Bugo ka.
Bugok.
And me? I just want 10 new shirts and 1 month of travel. I have to wear my new shirts while I travel. Hack.
Alright, so busog na kami. Nyuli na mi sa balay ni Ma'am Joey.
We are very, very full. Probably a little too full. Ate a bit much. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy, I'm out of practice.
So we're back. Food was great. It's different than the Philippines. I don't know if it's the ingredients or what, but it never is quite the same as eating food in the Philippines. But lamig yapon.
Yeah.
Sinigang yapon. I didn't try the other food. Anyways, that is it. That is the vlog. Kind of boring. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of food vlogs because I don't know what the heck to do in them. I eat it and I say it's lame.
I like them because I like food.
Alright, so diri mo man ang vlog. Pasensya na puto-puto lang mong mga vlog ba? Katawa si Nanay Lynn. Sige, so diri mo man ang vlog. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og amping mo tanan.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.